everyone, welcome to the Almost Naked Chef. I'm your host Miranda May, here bringing you fun, creative food ideas that will help make you feel good naked. Today on 3 Ingredient Thursday, I am going to be displaying a fun recipe with the basis of 3 ingredients. However, it is free range for you to add things that you like. I, in this case, will give you the base 3 ingredients that you need to make a beautiful cookie. This recipe is inspired by ariellelorre. And so basically you take your overripe bananas. Oh my gosh, this one was like leaking. Oh God, ew. You just pinch the tip of the banana, of your overripe banana that looks like it's gone bad, that looks like there's no hope left in its life. But there's some hope for some enjoyment there, don't worry. So basically, if it doesn't come out easily, you just have to manhandle it and squish it out. Ooh, she's leaking. So pinch the tip, pull it back, and then you have your 3 overly soft bananas. And because they're so soft, they're really easy to just, mash up and whack into shape. You take 3 mashed bananas, mash it right up, add 1 cup of oats, teaspoon of baking powder, and those are your 3 ingredients. Overly ripe, haggard looking bananas, quick oats, and baking powder to ensure it bakes nicely as a cookie. But if you want to have some fun and make it a little more exciting, I would suggest adding some vanilla extract. Just be generous with it because vanilla is yummy. I'll get that later. Cocoa powder, because I am obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed with chocolate. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in there. You know what? I'm going to put more because I love chocolate. So let's just put more. You use your teaspoon. Yep. And then just roll it into balls and put it in a baking pan. Bake at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how big you make your balls. Salt is yummy, so just put a little salt in there. I know it looked like I put a lot in there, but this shaker is like a little haggard, like the bananas, so there wasn't that much. Be a little more vigorous with this because of the extra skin on the date. Fork to whisk it and a little bit of manpower, and you will have these beautiful, amazing cookies. Thank you for tuning in to 3 Ingredient Thursday. I hope that you took something away from this little 3 ingredient recipe and you will make it something of your own. Kindly tag the Almost Naked Chef, and I would love to see what you come up with.